this form inside the portal. So my custom application is calling this by having this redirect URL while I'm seeing the task of the case start form. I have also another thing. I am passing the return URL as a parameter. So when I'm calling this external form here, I have a parameter called return URL that tells me how to submit this particular task form. So this points back to the Bonita portal, and when I'm going back on the Bonita portal, I'm able to extract a couple of parameters from the return URL. So I'm able to grasp the first name, last name, etc. All the parameters that I have filled inside my form, I'm able to read them from the URL and save them to my data so that I can show them later on in the other task. So that's how you deal with redirect URL. Back to the slides, and I'm going to show you now the last technical option to integrate into the Bonita forms some AngularJS components. So the way to do that is actually to use HTML widgets. But be aware this specific integration option is probably the least interesting option, and it's the most technical one. So what advantage is there to integrate AngularJS components inside Bonita forms? Well, the advantage is to be able to use also the traditional widgets. So you don't have to re-implement everything, you can still keep the original widgets. So you don't want to have to re-implement, I don't know, the text fields, but you want to provide another Angular widget next to it. So you can mix the different technologies, but I'm going to talk about the limitation. It's very difficult to implement. Why is that so difficult? Well, that's because our technology is